Hi, it's Phil from Teachblend, and in this video we're going to look at Microsoft Word's new feature, which is Transcribe. Now what this allows you to do essentially is upload a voice recording and then produce a text-based document on that voice recording automatically. So this could be really useful, for example, with students if they have recorded a speaking and listening assessment and you want to write this up. What you can do is just upload the clip and this will then automatically turn that clip into text for you as well. This could also be useful for students if, for example, they have recorded something on their mobile phones, such as some text or a lecture, and they want this now typed up. So let's have a look now at how we can use Microsoft Word's Transcribe feature. So the first thing you need to do is access Word Online, choose the Home tab, and then underneath the Dictate option, choose Transcribe. This will allow you then two options. You can either upload audio or start a recording. Let's upload audio first. Here, what I am doing is I am selecting an audio clip that I have recorded in the past. So for example, a student's assessment or your own voice explaining something. And you could record these, for example, from a mic or a phone. Here, you'll then see a preview of that actual transcription, and you can click play to listen back to the audio, and then you can also see the text that has been produced based on that audio. You can also click the edit button and choose who has actually spoken, so you can put in names here, and you'll also be able to edit any of the transcript if there's any mistakes. Once you've done this, you can then click plus to add a timestamp and the transcript directly into your Word document. So this is absolutely really useful. You can also click Add All to Document if there is more than one transcript, and what this will do is it will produce the audio file as a link and also all of the timestamps. Let's have a look now at a little bit bigger one. So I'm going to click New Transcription this time, and what I'm going to do this time is actually record directly in Word. So I'm going to click on Start Recording, and then what I am doing now is I am recording two people speaking. And this could be more than two people, and what Word will automatically do is it will find out who's spoken at certain times and provide a transcript. And it will also do this if you upload your own audio as well. So here you can see I've finished this, and I have two speakers in this example with two different texts. I can then choose, just like a script, which person spoke at which time and edit any speaker notes as well, and make any changes to the transcript, and then click OK. Here now I can then add either individual sections or all of the document. So let's click Add to All Document. Here now you'll see the timestamps and the words that have been spoken in text on your Word document. And again, you can also add in individual elements to that transcript onto the document as well. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, give us a like and subscribe to Teachblend. It really helps. Thank you.